All right, guys. So we haven't even seen our app how it looks, right? So let's go ahead and try to see if we can have a look at our app in the browser. So I'm gonna go to public directory. I'm gonna go to the index here on the left, index.php inside the public directory, and I'm going to start including some of my files. For example, let's go ahead and use the header here, right? And let's close PHP. And let's go ahead here and just put the footer. And let's just put hello here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to my browser and I want to visit my MAMP area, localhost 8888. For some of you, it's going to be localhost, right? And I'm gonna go to my public directory and you can see that it says hello there. Okay. Now that does not seem like a lot there, but what I'm gonna do here in this lecture, what I want you guys to do, as a matter of fact, we're supposed to have it. Let me check on my header real quick. We're supposed to have a navigation working there. Okay. So let's go and refresh it real quick. I'm gonna check on my inspect elements, see what's the deal there. All right, my network preferences here, everything seems to be pulling. Let's see, header. This is the index. I don't know why my IDE doesn't tell me anything. We need to go a little bit more that way. And now we have it. Okay, sorry about that. Unbelievable. My IDE, I was expecting my IDE to let me know that I was in a different directory, you know, but it did not actually highlight that error there. But I'm going to leave this lecture just in case that happens to you. Hopefully it doesn't, because it happened to me already. All right. So that's how our page looks right now. And one thing that I want you guys to download from here, from this lecture, is your form. Okay? So this form is going to come here, and I want you guys to download it. I'm going to copy it from what I got right here like this. And I'm going to refresh that, and now you can see that we have that form. If I click on the code page, you can see that it takes me to the code page. Verify takes me to the verify page. Doesn't mean that we have anything there, because we don't. Okay, we're gonna go lecture by lecture. Let's test out this form before we leave this lecture here. So PHP, let's open the tag and let's just check real quick. And I say if it's set, the variable, the super global here, post submit. I want you to echo it works. Okay, simple as that. If I click here, it says it works, or I works. Okay, there we go. So the form works. Make sure you download it from this lecture. Sorry about the hiccup, but sometimes this, you get too, you trust too much on your IDE, and you expect your IDE to highlight you some of the problems, and it doesn't. So you should be paying attention to simple things like this as a developer. My bad. See you in the next lecture, guys. Take care.